Alright, YouTube, so we are back, and I've been wanting to make videos again for a little while. All grown up. Hi, Max. He not feeling well. Yeah, got a house. It's very dreary outside. It's not going to be very good lighting, but oh well. The reason I'm starting back on this video is this is something that I'm really excited about, which is a very mangled box. I don't know what the heck happened on shipment. UPS, what were you doing? I got the 51 today, although with what's in this box, I might be switching out what my carry is. Gosh, it's all mangled. Okay. Very excited about this. I pre-ordered it like as soon as it could go on pre-order. And so, without further ado, okay, that was really anticlimactic. It came with, this is the Cold Steel Archangel, and it came with like no inserts inside the box. So that's a little disappointing. So this thing has been rattling around outside of its carrying cloth with no protection. So that's cool. Oh man. Definitely lighter than I had expected. I know that it's aluminum and not titanium, and so I expected it to be a little bit lighter than but not this light. Oh my goodness. Okay, so okay. So, I don't like that latch at all. Sounds terrible. The handles feel really cheap, I'm not gonna lie. And I can't get the momentum. Okay, hold on. Hi again, buddy. I see. You need Dad to take the tag off?
Dad.
Impromptu cut test. My son wants this tag off. There you go, buddy. You're welcome. Alright, so, now what I was getting ready to say. So this, I just got last week. This is the BB Bar Superfly. And what I've done so far is I've taken one of the weights out on each of the handles because it was a little bit too heavy. But now I'm wondering if I should put it back in because now it almost moves too fast for my liking. Yeah. So, I'm not amazing. I'm very much a novice. Still learning a lot of different things. And this is the first time I've ever videotaped myself trying to flip. But it really, it doesn't have the handle weight to be able to flip comfortably. Now granted, this is dry and it feels dry. So let's try getting some KPL heavy on it and see what might happen. It looks amazing, and I really want to like it. Oh, the edge on it is incredible. My very dark room. Oh, there is no latch gate. Okay, so let me get some KPL heavy, and I'll be honest, I'm going to get me a T6, and I'm going to take that latch right off, because I don't like that latch at all. It has no latch gate. It feels cheap. It sounds cheap. I don't like it. So, alright. Cool. So, first thing I want to do is take this stupid latch off. It's so bad. I at least thought there would be a latch gate, but there's not. And so without a latch gate, there's no reason to keep that. Boop. Ah, come on. Get out of there. It's fitted in very tightly, which is cool and all, but ugh. Okay, let's get some KPL heavy on it. So I was a little disappointed. There's no bearings. There's no bushings. It's aluminum, and from the feels of it, it is very low-grade aluminum. But the blade steel. Alright. See if some KPL heavy helps. Oh, so the handles carry absolutely no momentum. So like your fans, they just stall out because there's no momentum to keep it going. Hello again, bud. Oh, thank you. Nom 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 nom. Hello. Good job. So yeah, I was so excited about this thing too. I was like, "There's no way Cold Steel is going to take this long of time to re-release the Archangel and it not be, at least flippable." But it is, like I said, the biggest issue that you're running into is there is zero handle weight. I mean, you can see there's where most designs have a decent handle cap at the end. Like, you can see how thick this is down at the bottom, right? And so it gives you that momentum to do those cool tricks. Yeah. This, for a carry knife, I mean, okay. Here's what I hope, and I hope, and I hope, and I hope to goodness, I hope somebody sees this and is as excited about it as I am, and they make aftermarket handles for it. I can be okay with it not having any type of bearings or bushings or anything like that. Ooh. Yeah. it just really wants to stall out on those fans. And it's got no handle weight. Alright, where did I put it? Hi, buddy. Go ahead and play. Daddy can't flip while you're right here. Okay. So, 51. This one, now granted, this one I had to put the zippy inserts on, and now that makes it much more flowy and usable, but it doesn't stall out on my fans, you know? This thing, I can't even get a basic fan going because it's just stalling out. And so where I want to be able to throw some combos into it because it has no handle weight, everything that I'm trying to do is just not holding momentum. And that's a shame because, again, I pre-ordered this thing as soon as I could. It got in, and it's a little bit of a flop. Hi, bud. You need to wash your hands. Daddy needs to finish up his video, huh? Okay. First impressions. The feel in hand is good, if that makes sense. Like, when I am holding it, it's good. Up here, it doesn't have any really sharp edges. Now, granted, it's not crowned like the 51 or the Superfly, which has chamfers. It's just somewhat rounded, and it works, honestly. For an everyday carry style knife, I love this blade design. It's great. I'll try to mess with the pivots, but honestly, Cold Steel, what are you doing? Give me something with a little bit more weight so I can actually flip it. Yes, I want to carry this. Yes, I want to use it as an actual knife, but it's a Balisong. Let me flip the Balisong. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, sorry for the bad video quality, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to be back to uploading. I just wanted to get this one out there. I wanted to show first impressions, and I was so excited about this thing. Obviously, I haven't gotten my camera out in forever, and I got my camera out, and that's disappointing. I really wanted this to be good. Oh well. Yep. The search for finding my perfect Balisong is still going, although this Superfly is the best thing I've gotten yet. And my Nabali's Hydra. Those two are my go-tos. Specifically the Hydra with the Tonto False Live. That thing is so good. It just fits my flipping preference so nicely. I like doing a lot of rollover stuff and chaplains and things like that. And so the Hydra is a nice balance for me because it does the rollovers and the fans really well. Just like this thing. This thing, it's beautiful. So, wasn't planning on it being a Superfly video, but that was disappointing. So I had to pull up a good one. Oh, so bad. Okay, well, all of the different modders out there. Hey, Flytanium, this is your next mission. This is the next thing that you guys need to mod. Give me some titanium, or give me some aluminum that has actual weight at the end of the handles. Alright, with that, keep smiling. Peace.